Hey, I'm Johanna Griese. I'm 5'2" and I live in Brooklyn, New York City. I am non-equity, however, I'm eligible and happy to join if you need me to for the production. Thank you so much for pressing play and taking the time to watch this tape. Just move! Everybody's counting on you. You know, welcome to my world. Here I go. Here I go. Run to the bus and then school, office, time, the FedEx, schedule time to have sex, find my keys, my wallet,